I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need two things now: an updated WhatsApp and location permission granted. Once done, open the chat with the person or group you want to share with. Tap the attach icon, paperclip or plus, select location, and you'll see two options: send your current location or share live location. Choose send current for a single fix. Choose share live to stream movement. Make sure the recipient is in the chat and ready so you can complete the share immediately. Once you tap share live location, pick how long to broadcast: 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours depending on need. You control this duration. Choose shorter for privacy. Make sure your phone allows background location and that mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. Without them, updates stop. If accuracy matters, switch to high accuracy GPS mode in system settings. The map will show movement as you travel. You can reopen the chat to view the live pin and estimated accuracy in meters. To end sharing, open the same chat and tap Stop Sharing. Confirm and the live feed stops immediately. If you want to revoke permanently, go to App Settings and remove location permission. If tracking doesn't work, first toggle location off and on, then restart WhatsApp. Make sure high accuracy /GPS is enabled and battery saver is off because it limits background updates. If the pin is inaccurate, wait a moment for GPS lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.